Next up, we are going to work on creating perpendicular lines, and we are going to make perpendicular lines without a protractor using just our straight edge and compass. So first thing we need to do is to start with a line. So using your straight edge, we're just going to create a line, and I'm not going to name this line right yet. We'll wait until we have a few more points on there. But what we're going to do is we're going to just put a point somewhere, and we're going to create a perpendicular line, which means we need a line that crosses the one that we just drew, and when it intersects, it makes right angles. So our line that we're going to draw needs to go through this point, so it should end up being something like this. All right, in order to do this, we're going to start with the compass. And I'm going to call this point A. Starting with the point of our compass on point A, I want to make a mark that goes across this line twice. So it needs to be able to reach the line. So you want to measure, you don't want it to be too short. So it needs to be able to cross the line. So with the point on point A, I'm going to make an arc that crossed my line at these two spots. So I'm going to now call this B and call this C. All right, now this measurement that we used right here, we need to keep that measurement in our compass. So we don't want to move our compass. But what we're going to do now is we're going to move from the point at A and we're going to place it at B. And what we're going to do is make an arc out here. We're going to now turn and do the same thing from point C. So from point C, I'm going to make an arc right there. And those two met at what I'm going to call point D. So essentially what I've done is I've made a piece there, 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 and there, and they're all congruent because they are all using the same measurement on the compass. So now if I take my straight edge and connect A and D, I now have a line that is perpendicular to the line I started with. So I'm going to say line BC is perpendicular to line AD. D. Sorry. And you're done.